Welcome to the online workshop on the Floriday catalog. It is essential to set up an extensive and complete catalog in Floriday. The catalog is where you configure your product assortment. Let's get started quickly with creating an item in Floriday. Click on Catalog on the left-hand side menu. If there are no existing items, click on Add your first item. If there are already existing items, click on Add item. To create an item in Floriday, start by entering the VPN code or the name of the product. VPN codes are standard codes that identify plants and flowers. Click on Continue. Assign a unique item code to the product. Please note that you cannot change the item code later. It's fixed after saving the item. You are free to choose the item code, which can be as simple or complex as you like. You can use a numbering system, 1, 2, 3, etc., or incorporate details like the name, stem length, and pot size. Here, we choose a combination of the VPN number and stem length. Add the item name that reflects the essence of the product and is recognizable to you and potential customers. Optionally, add a GDN, global trade item number, and link the item to a collection. Note that linking to a collection is possible only after collections have been created. In Floriday, you have the option to work with regular or customer-specific items. Regular items are products available for all buyers. Customer-specific items are unique products that you may want to offer to only one or a few buyers. Finally, choose whether the item can be visible in the public catalog for customers or if it's intended for your own use in Floriday only. This can be useful if, for example, you only want to use the auction delivery without displaying it in your catalog. Click on Continue. Now it's time to add the characteristics. The mandatory and recommended characteristics are automatically displayed based on the entered VPN product code. You can now fill in all the characteristics for this item. Characteristics without a trash can icon are mandatory, while those with a trash can icon are optional but recommended. The transport height is the height that the product, including the tray or container, occupies on a cart. It indicates the space needed between the plates/layers for transportation. If necessary, you can add an additional characteristic by clicking the Add Characteristic button. Utilize the variant option for different versions of the item, for example, the same item with a different weight. It's also possible to pin characteristics. When you pin a characteristics, it will be displayed by default when creating and editing items. Click on Continue. High-quality product photos are crucial for the success of your catalog. They serve as your business card to the outside world. Ensure well-lit, sharp, and representative images. Show the product from different angles to provide a complete picture or offer different photo types for customers to choose from. Consider having a detailed photo or a ruler for auction letters and atmospheric images for direct trade. Drag a photo from your computer to the designated area or click the Select Files button to upload a photo from your computer, phone, or tablet. After adding a photo, you can adjust it as needed or delete it by clicking the three dots on the photo. Click Edit to rotate or crop the photo. Click Set Photo Type to specify the photo type. Click Set as Default Photo to make the photo the default. If you have linked multiple photos to an item, you can arrange their order by dragging the desired photo. Click on Continue. We continue with adding the packing configurations. In Packing Configurations, you specify the packing configurations for the item. You indicate how many pieces of a particular product are in a load carrier. Click Add Packing Configurations and then enter the type of loading carrier, package, and the number of layers per carrier, packages per layer, and pieces per package. You can create packing configurations specifically for a customer by choosing customer-specific packing configuration when adding the packing configurations. Afterward, click on Edit Organizations and select the customers for whom this packing configuration applies. Click on Save and then on Continue. In the final step, indicate the expected availability of the product. This informs buyers when you have this item available. It's an indication you provide about the product's availability. If you have filled out all the information correctly for your trade item, you can save it. You will then return to the catalog. It's also possible to copy a created item. This way, you don't have to enter all the information again, and the characteristics are automatically copied. You must provide a new unique item code for this new item. If the copied items has different characteristics, you can change them in this screen. You can also change the item name. After saving the copy, you can edit the photos. There are some useful tips and additional features that you can find in the catalog, for example the search function, filtering options, and the collection filter. You can also easily search for your general or customer-specific items here. When hovering on the customer-specific icon, the name of the buyer pops up. Use quick entry characteristics to set characteristics for multiple items. Select the characteristic and set per trade item the value. Manage photos with Manage photos and packing configurations with Manage packing configuration. Finally, you can switch between tile view and list view. If you want more information on how to use these quick management buttons, click on the question mark to access the Help Center, where you can find answers to your questions. We hope this video helps you manage your catalog effectively. For further questions and support, visit the Floriday Help Center or contact our support desk. Thanks for watching, and we wish you success in creating and managing your catalog on Floriday.